24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano essentially is drifting at $126,585,043 in a significant manner. ADA down around 1.73% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano basically is floating at $126,585,043, which for the most part is very critical. Cardano's EMA10, in a real sense, shows a fundamentally descending pattern, which sort of is very critical. Cardano explicitly shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. 18 October 2023, in this article we will by and large walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is momentary cost expectation for Cardano. Sort of is ADA a for the most part wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on in a significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the ADA specialized examination, generally let us basically discuss the kind of current economic situations, which essentially is genuinely critical. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,092,074,990,404, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The kind of all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $45,617,703,149 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value decline of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours in a kind of huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, which certainly is genuinely huge. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere around 0.26 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, sort of additional appearance how Cardano's EMA10 explicitly shows a descending pattern, or so they by and large thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in Esteem, which especially shows that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. These occasions truly show that the market explicitly is going in a descending bearing for especially present moment, which essentially is genuinely huge. Right now, a general exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which by and large is very huge. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers especially become in every way that really matters, all the more fundamentally dynamic, and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span in a significant manner. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which merchants in every practical sense move exceptionally dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, certainly further appearance, how these occasions basically demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a genuinely descending course for sort of momentary in a really significant manner. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano, ADA. Cardano execution ADA explicitly has recorded a downtrend, losing 1.73% in most recent 24 hours, or so they by and large thought. The by and large current worth of Cardano certainly is drifting at 25 cents, with the exchanging volume of $126,585,043 United States dollars in the equivalent time span, exhibiting what generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, or so they especially thought. The truly by and large market cap for ADA truly is $8,682,508,605 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 0.45% throughout the week in an unpretentious manner. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 18 October 2023, inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span, for the most part made sense of beneath, in every way that really matters, further appearance how XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 0.26 and presently exchanging at 49 cents. By and large further appearance how Cardano's EMA10 generally shows a truly descending pattern in an all things considered huge way. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal assembly and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to truly examine the future development of the Cardano. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano by and large is drifting at $126,585,043, which generally is genuinely critical. The ADA United States dollar moving truly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, pointer especially is demonstrating a present moment generally sell kind of sign as the MACD line in every way that really matters is moving underneath truly signal line, which by and large means in a real sense bears basically our ruling on the lookout, so which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, or so they for the most part thought. While ADA's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange truly signal especially is by and large conceivable at this reach, so the by and large current worth of Cardano truly is drifting at 25 cents, with the exchanging volume of $126,585,043 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, exhibiting what really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and in every practical sense is attempting to truly break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, showing how the really complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $45,617,703,149 in every way that really matters in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Cardano truly